Hello and welcome to What the Fort. Today we're exploring the Church of St Pancras in Exeter. At 46 foot by 16 foot is one of Exeter's smallest churches, but it still has some fascinating features both inside and out.
The church is now surrounded by the modern shopping complex of the Guildhall Centre, which was built in the 1970s. The church was due to be demolished in the 1930s as part of the redevelopment plans, but the Second World War put pay to this and the church was saved. St Pancras Church originally lay at the south-east corner of St Pancras Lane and Paul Street. It was one of 28 medieval churches in Exeter, but unlike many of those, it was not in a prominent position and was in a side street.
The church was largely rebuilt in the 13th century and it's made from volcanic stone from Northernhay. There are also Polcombe stone and Heavitree stone blocks within the structure. There's a small bell turret which contains a bell that dates to the 15th century. It has a Latin inscription on it which reads, "I may be small but I'm well heard over a large area."
The Norman font is believed to be the same age as the original church. There are also scalloped piscinas in the south wall. These were for washing holy vessels. There is a blocked stairway in the north wall which would have led to a wooden rood screen. The records state that this was taken down in the 1800s.
This Jacobean pulpit was moved here from the Church of All Hallows in Goldsmith Street when this church was demolished in 1906. There were also two plaques moved here which are in the memory of the smallpox victims, including this ornate one to the Loveday family.
The church has had multiple restorations over the centuries. It was restored in 1831 by Robert Cornish, a surveyor of Exeter Cathedral, who changed the seating in St Pancras. By 1888 it had again fallen into disrepair. This time the works were carried out by John Pearson, the architect of Truro Cathedral. These works included rebuilding of the chancel arch.
This wonderful little church has survived for centuries, despite the neglect it's faced in the past and the huge changes surrounding it. It now provides a space to get away from the crowds and find peace in an unlikely place. Thanks for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope to see you soon.